Welcome back to another video. I'm shooting a bunch of these today. Before we get into it, as always, this video is sponsored by our forum, 4gtaco.com. Make sure you check us out, join, we'll get you a free swag pack of stickers. If you're interested, we got a thread on the main site. You can find it out there. Let me flip the camera around. As you can see, we're getting into it over here. So you might be able to guess what I'm doing. There's only so many things you have to do when you're taking off the bumper cover on your 4th gen. This video is going to be focused around the Cali Raised fog lights. Let me go over there and I'll show you guys a closer look at them. So this is an OEM direct fit plug and play fog light upgrade for the 4th gen Tacoma from Cali Raised. This camera doesn't focus the best up close, but you can see they've got these almost like little projectors inside. I imagine to help with the optics of everything. We got the brackets, we got all the hardware, and yeah, these are super simple. I shot a video yesterday, last night, this morning, whatever, showing you guys the output for the factory one. So later on in the video, we'll do a direct comparison between the output on those and the output on these. But in order to get this off, we got to take the shutter off. Oh, also, Cali Raised. This is probably one of the most affordable fog light upgrades that still packs a punch for the 4G. This kit is, as of right now, 200 bucks. Some of the other kits are like $300, $400, $500. So if you just want some extra light, a little bit of amber, I have the amber fog lights over there, but they also come in white, so it depends on what you want to do. And you could always throw some tint film over them if you want some kind of custom color, like an orange amber instead of a yellow one. So we're going to take the shutter off. Just got to pop a couple of the valance pieces and trim pieces on, swap it all off, swap it all around. We're also doing a pro grill today. That'll be a separate video. And yeah, let me get all this apart, swap everything over, put everything back on the truck. I'll show you what it looks like, and then we'll go out again tonight to get some night output shots. All right, I'm jumping around a lot here because I'm doing the grill and the fog lights at the same time, but let's talk about the fog lights and let's talk about getting this stuff apart. First of all, it's borderline maddening. The amount of little pieces and stuff and bolts. Look at all this stuff, dude. Crazy. Toyota didn't make it very easy. But yeah, we got everything out. Fog lights are taken out. Now I'm gonna go and get the fog lights. Boom. Assemble all those pieces and get them back in the grill. I never want to do this again. We probably will have to do this again, especially when we do a new front bumper coming soon. But yeah, finally got everything apart. I'm gonna mount the fog lights, mount the grill, and then be done. Show you guys what it looks like when it's all done. Okay, I feel a lot better now than I did earlier. There's just a lot of parts in my first time and hiccups, frustrations, little things. But let's keep going with these fog lights. First of all, they look pretty dope in there. They fit the gap well. They're pretty straight, and I didn't try very, very hard. I think it's OEM enough that if somebody pulled up on it, they'd be like, oh, cool, some yellow fog lights, unless they really knew about Toyotas. So I like it. I really like the output. Let me turn the lights on. Be back in 2 seconds. So I really enjoy this kind of amber color. The yellow, and it almost feels like there's some green in it. I don't know how else to describe it, like a greenish, yellow green right there. Just looks real good. Just wanted to show you guys with the lights on right now. Also with the red accents, which I don't know how easy you can see the stuff on the bottom there. It's all really coming together. Red, yellow, green, amber, and a little bit of crisp white in the headlights. Even a little bit of orange in the marker and the red and the bronze oxide. I'm very happy with this. In another video, I'm talking about the TRD Pro grill, but that's gonna be a different one. Light bar in there too, but these lights for $200 kick ass. And I'm very happy. So I'm gonna reassemble everything. I think that's all I need to show you guys right now. They're plug and play, controlled by the OEM switch. We'll talk more about the feature specs, details, whatever later. That's it for now. The next time I check back in, I'm going to do the night shots. So stay tuned. So I'm shooting this the night before my Cali Raised fog light install. Cars driving by, but the whole purpose is to quickly show you guys a comparison, like a before and after. So here is just the fog lights, and this is like driver point of view, right? You can, hold on, let me figure out how to do this. Okay. Now they're auto turning on. So there we go. Fog lights only. I'll even bring the camera up a little bit. Fog lights only. Headlights. Let's step outside. And let's just take a look, once this car drives by, at the beam throw, where it starts, where it stops. It actually goes all the way out here. So let me see if I can step way back here and show you guys as much as possible. Obviously, like over here on the left, it's kind of hard to see, but the light comes all the way out to like right where that little light spot is. So these are the OEM. I believe they're the same on all trim Tacomas as long as they come with these lights. Show you guys real quick. Let's turn on the headlights. That's what they look like with the headlights. I have a feeling the Cali Raised ones are going to throw light much, much farther and a lot more of it. I'll show you guys the side here. So that's what it looks like in and out of the truck. Now tomorrow I'm going to install everything. Look right here. One last look. There's like a big, kind of call it a dead spot. Now you necessarily can't see that behind the hood, but that's the throw. Let's take a quick look over here. Lens flare. Cool. All right, I will report back when the Cali Raised lights are installed. One last, call it bird's eye view. We'll check back in tomorrow. All right, so since last I shot the output video for the OEM fog lights, I got window tints. So we're just gonna start outside because it's not as impressive through tints or comparable. So I'm just gonna show you outside. So here it is. These are the Cali Raised fogs, fog lights only. Let's see, I'm kind of right in front of the truck here. You can see that beam pattern. It's a little bit wider than the truck is, and then kind of spreads out and up and above into the tree out in front of it. So there's that. Let me toss on the headlights. So that's with the headlights. Okay. Still very supportive here in front, down low, but also gives you a little bit more, call it flood characteristics, but not bad. And we can just turn off the fog lights for reference. Headlights, both, and just the fogs. Are they blinding to oncoming traffic? I mean, I don't believe these are SAE or recommended to be run on the street. They're not terrible, but they are bright, and especially in a lower sitting car, they will get in somebody's eyes eventually. So that's at your own risk, etc. But I think that's it, man. I guess I can go back here and show you the output from a front angle of the truck. Boom. There you go. Output. Cali Raised fogs. So it's super late. I've talked long enough. Thanks for sticking around for another video. Check out the Cali Raised replacement fog lights in amber and in white. Pretty solid for the price, especially all things considered. If the bumper cover wasn't so annoying to take off, it would be a super easy install, but they are plug and play. So if you're looking for an amber fog light upgrade that doesn't cost like $300, $400, $500, but still puts out good light output, check out the Cali Raised fog light replacement. And again, if you like white better than amber like I do, you can kind of mix and match the colors. So links will be in the description. Make sure you check out 4gtaco.com. Thanks again for sticking around for another video, and we will see you on the next one.